I'm Jeff Weig. And I'm Adam Rausch. We are two of the founders of Bright Labs, the makers of ChessUp. We're here seeking a $300,000 investment for a 5% equity share in our company.
Wow.
Sharks, chess is a brilliant game. It's great for the mind, and it connects millions of people all around the world, regardless of age or culture. But chess has one king-size problem. It's really hard to learn. And once you do learn, it's even harder to improve, making chess an intimidating game. Until now. ChessUp is chess like you've never seen it before. It has a built-in AI. It teaches you how to play. New to chess? The magic is at your fingertips. Simply touch a piece and you're already learning how to play. ChessUp features a patented artificial intelligence trainer that comes with 6 different levels of assistance. Now, you really can learn and improve while you play. And even let you play with a buddy who's halfway around the world with their moves instantly lighting up right on the board in front of you. For the first time ever, 2 players of any skill level can have a balanced, competitive, and fun match against each other. ChessUp is soaring to success. But there's one piece that our chess set is missing, a shark. So who's ready to make a move and capture a whole lot of cash? Okay, Sharks, you each have a ChessUp that's set up and ready to play. Once you touch a piece for white, the AI on your side will show you all the available moves ranked by strength. So green moves are the best and red moves are the worst. Then once you move the white piece, the black side is going to show you where it wants you to move its piece, and you can continue the game from there.
But it doesn't talk to you. Like, I'm making those moves, but I don't really understand the logic behind it.
There's a curated set of lessons that we have a professional chess teacher that actually walks you through different scenarios and teaches you different strategies. That's what comes with it.
Not pertaining to this particular game.
Not your exact game you're playing right now, no.
I got it.
Okay, so that's, I mean, as a chess player in a past life, you know, I definitely enjoy chess. I want to teach my daughter how to play chess probably pretty soon. She's 6 going on 7, so she definitely should know how to play chess. She'll probably want to play it all the time and probably kick my butt at it. It's funny that this came up because not that long ago I did try to play chess, like on, you know, built into the Mac. There's a built-in chess game, so I was like, you know, let me play some chess, you know, just to have something interesting to do and learn, and got my butt kicked pretty quick there. So I think it's neat. I'm interested to see what kind of price we're looking at. I mean, with a $6 million valuation, they hopefully have a lot of sales to go off of, and not a lot of investment money tied up or anything like that to scare the Sharks off. But I don't know. I'm on board. I'm on board with ChessUp. It seems pretty neat. We're gonna check out their website and social media at the end of this, and hopefully they secure a deal here. I mean, $300,000 is a tall order for literally any business, and hopefully 5% they have some room to move up, because if they don't got the sales to support it, even if they have the sales to support it, I'm sure the Sharks are gonna want more than just 5%.
I'm curious, how much does this cost, and what does it cost you to make it?
Full retail is $399. We land it here for $120.
Okay, so I played chess since I was 13, and I don't want to be told what I've got to do. I want to play the AI.
We can control the level of assistance on either side. You can adjust the settings on there to just see the legal moves, and you receive no assistance.
Why is it so slow? Can I adjust the speed? Because I'm trying to play it quickly.
Let us show you a video, actually, on this. The board can keep up with every human movement. You can play bullet games, blitz games, which are very fast formats. You're going to see that it's doing an automatic clock where it's keeping track of your time and the opponent's time.
That's fast.
That's cool. So wait, there's a ton of online chess platforms.
Yes.
Right? There's a ton of software apps.
Absolutely.
You know, why would I spend $399 when a lot of them are free or ad-driven or whatever?
Online chess is incredible. We connect with those platforms, and you can play just like you'd play online, but you're playing on a real physical board.
So the real difference is that you're playing on a physical board, so you get the tactile feel. Yeah,
And the learning
exactly. It's just a
element,
preference.
right?
Yeah, and what online misses is that family experience.
So are you doing this full time, or do you have a different job?
So we are very much full-time. We met at the innovation lab of a major consumer electronics brand. Between Jeff and myself, we're listed on over 20 patents, and we're responsible for a lifetime revenue of over $1 billion.
Name a product that you brought to market that we would know.
Sure. So I did most recently Garmin Lily, which is a women's smartwatch. It's really small, and it's
I wear the Garmin. I love it.
Oh, that's fantastic. Perfect. So I took the job at Garmin in an innovation lab in order to take a step through entrepreneurship. No joke, when I started that job, I'd never been around all the business terms, so I started watching Shark Tank. I'm up here because of this show. 3 years ago, after a few hits, watching these hundreds of millions of dollars for our employer, and we were just getting paid salaries, I decided to leave. I called up Adam first. We started prototyping these gadgets. And the best concept we had when we were working was on this chess product. So we took it to Kickstarter, and from there we had enough revenue from Kickstarter to start the company.
What did you raise in your Kickstarter?
We did $1.7 million in 39 days.
Wow.
What were you looking to raise?
We've set the goal at 30,000.
That is crazy.
And you raised 1.7
million.
But you're asking for 300,000 for 5%, $6 million valuation. What are your sales?
So we told you about the Kickstarter sales. That was 1.7 million. Since then, we have not been running ads at all, but we've just had people trickling to the website. We've sold 400,000 this year to date.
Adam and Jeff, I want to get the ball rolling.
That's not great. But look, if you're not spending a ton of money on advertising, which at 120 landed and selling it for 400, you don't really have a lot of room to move there, especially if you wanted to say sell it at retail. I don't know that they do or don't, but you're kind of stuck there. I'm also curious, what can you do to get that price down? Because I feel like there's probably a good opportunity there to do so. At 120. I mean, obviously there's lights, and I don't know if it's battery. Is it battery powered? I kind of imagine it probably is battery powered. But I $399 is a lot of money. I don't know that it's a lot of money for what it offers. If you're like a kid and you're like wanting to really get really good at chess, this could be a way to shortcut that. And if you were, say, going to go play chess competitively, like this would, this is the $399 is nothing. I mean, you compare that to any other sports, or my daughter just started playing piano, so like we had to buy, get a keyboard for her, and a lot of those keyboards were 4, 5, 6, 7 and up from there, right? So if it's a hobby, like it's your thing, like this is definitely an opportunity, or an opportunity to learn something new that you maybe not have been good at, so wanted to get better at but never really understood, or wanted to play with someone in your family who didn't know how to play but you did. Like the kid knows how to play, wants to teach the adult, but the adult doesn't have all day to learn how the chess moves. And this is an opportunity to do that.
This is a business I could do nothing for you. It's not my thing. I'm still on checkers and struggling.
Thank you, Barbara.
So guys,
thank you.
Why am I limited to the hardware platform? I love chess. I'm going to travel. I'm always taking my laptop with me. Now I'm going to take this. I'm going to take another bag with me.
There's 50 million online chess players. And we're not arguing that online chess doesn't have its place.
50 million.
Yeah, there's 600 million people who play over a real board.
I was going to say there's something about chess pieces and doing it physically. I mean, to me, playing chess on a tablet feels terrible.
See, I have no problem with the tablet, guys. I like chess. I don't love it, right? I'll play it when my son wants to play it. To me, it doesn't matter if it's a board, and actually it's better when it's online because I can be wherever. I just don't see it as a big enough market for me, so for those reasons, I'm out.
And what will sales be this year?
So our sales for this year are going to be about $1.4 million.
Are you going to make any money on the 1.4?
Yeah. This year we'll actually book an accounting profit because all the deferred revenue from the pre-sales counts towards this year.
Do you have any debt on the company?
Yes, we have some debt that's actually into a royalty structure.
What is that? How much?
So there's $392,000 that we give 3.92% of our sales back to that.
It's 3.92% of sales until you've cleaned that up, right?
That gets a 1.5 times return.
That sounds like one of my deals.
Yeah, you're very familiar with your deals. So during COVID and getting this thing done in just 15 months, we went through a middleman because we can't visit the factories. We manufacture in Shenzhen. And so he's taking a 20-30% cut. We can drop that out almost instantly.
Wow, there's a lot of guys taking pieces of pie in this deal.
But we got out quick, and we're out, and we're ahead of competition.
I'm looking at it, and I'm one of these on-the-fence deals because I play the game. I understand what you've done. It's a complicated cap table right now. It's a complicated structure. I'm going to take a pass. I'm out.
Oh, wow.
Listen, I think you did an amazing job, and I think there's something really important about touching and playing on a board when you're playing chess. But
I'm struggling because I do wonder, how am I going to make back my money? If I said I wanted it for $300,000 for 10%,
it's a tough one.
It's a tough one. It really is.
Can we? We would love to work with you. So let's think about this. We can get your capital back, join in the royalty.
Another royalty.
So, yeah, but what would the royalty be? Tell me, entice me, excite me.
Yeah. So how about $300,000? We'll pay you back 3% of every sale until you're paid back 1.5 times. So $450,000. We'll give you the 5% of the company.
It's not a bad count.
It's not bad at all.
Guys, let me
I'll take it. It's done. Yes.
Deal. Got a deal.
All right, let's go.
You guys are so smart.
Thank you so
much. So excited to work with you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
That's
Thank you for the time. This is the
Congrats, guys. Well done.
Wow.
Thanks so much. Good luck.
I'm sorry, Robert. I had to do it.
Lori gave us another royalty, but they're really not adding up to much. We're still under 10% of a sale, and we got the shark queen that we wanted. It's amazing. Lori is our queen.
Yeah, that's wow. I don't know that I've ever seen Lori jump like that before at a deal like that. That's pretty wild. So Shark Tank special only lasting 6 more hours from when I'm filming this at 10:30 at night on the East Coast. So instead of $399, it's the $369 for the ChessUp board. It's tempting. It's tempting. What it makes me want to do is go and teach my daughter how to play chess. I love that it's better with the app, and built-in AI, no one to play against. It'll play with you. It's almost surprising that this doesn't already exist out there, right? Like, yeah, STEM.org. That's probably she might be younger than my daughter. So I definitely need to. Maybe I need to get one. I'll talk to Melissa tonight about getting one here. This is great. You can get with a bag. A travel bag, you can get spare pieces, a phone stand to go, and the pieces bag, and they even have TouchSense checkers pieces. Pretty neat. So let's check out their social media here. They got only 45 followers over on Twitter, but they haven't posted much. They get a little bit of engagement going there. On Facebook, they got 444 followers, but they haven't posted there either since October. Interesting. Maybe Instagram, 189 followers. Looks like they haven't posted there in 8 weeks either. TikTok, they got nothing going there. Over on YouTube, 4 weeks ago, they posted it was their last batch of videos, a couple thousand views. How many videos? 68,000 views total with 877 subscribers. So you guys got to get on the marketing boat a little bit there. Maybe not necessarily just with ads, but just getting more people to engage with the brand. But anyway, I'd love to engage with you. Adam, Jeff, just leave a comment down below and we'll get you here for an interview. I'd love to have you on. Like Sadiq says, wow, thanks for really improving your audio quality. You're welcome, Sadiq. It took a little bit of engineering, a little bit of know-how, but I was able to finally get it to do what I wanted it to do and how I wanted it to do it. So I appreciate you hanging in there with me. We're going to keep getting better anyway. I'll see you in one of these 2 videos over here. Take care and go be super.